In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Progressive Insurance app. If you want quick access to your insurance information right from your phone, the Progressive app can be a convenient tool to have. The good news is that downloading it is a simple process, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, unlock your phone and open your app marketplace. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. These are the official places to safely download mobile apps, so it's always best to use them instead of downloading from unknown websites. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Progressive Insurance. As you search, you may see a few similar results, so take a moment to make sure you're choosing the official Progressive app. This is important because you want the correct app from the actual company, not a lookalike or unrelated result. When you find the official Progressive app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. On that page, you'll see the option to start downloading it. If you're on Android, tap Install. If you're on iPhone, tap Get. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to confirm the download using your password, Face ID, Touch ID, or another approval method. After that, just wait while the app downloads and installs on your device. This usually only takes a short time, but it can vary depending on your internet connection and phone speed. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data until the installation is complete. Once the app has finished installing, tap Open to launch it. The first time you open the app, it may take a moment to load everything properly, so give it a few seconds if needed. From there, sign in with your Progressive account. If you already have an account, enter your login details and continue. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account by following the prompts on the screen. Be sure to enter your information carefully so setup goes smoothly. And that's it. The Progressive Insurance app should now be downloaded, installed, and ready to use on your phone.